My CS2 inventory is really messy right now. Let me ask Skinshi to help me out here. Now using AI, Skinshi is going to organize my inventory for me. Once it is done loading my inventory, loading every single item, loading all of the storage units alongside with their name, the AI is going to go through based on the user prompt and figure out the best way to group items together and store it in the relevant storage units and come back to me with a plan. And you can clearly see that it did an absolutely perfect job of organizing my items in my inventory by putting the relevant items in the relevant storage units based on their name. Now it comes down to me whether or not I want to accept this plan or make some changes or talk to the AI more and whatnot. After that, all I'll have to do is click on sync this plan. And after a while, all of the items in my inventory will be sorted accordingly. Wow, it's done an excellent job already. It took everything that was in my loose inventory and put it together in storage units without me ever opening the CS2 game. So what is Skinshi really? Well, Skinshi is an AI-powered CS2 inventory manager. It has features like moving in items in and out of storage units, kind of like what casemove used to do, but this is on mobile. You can even get Steam Marketplace pricing right inside the app. In this case, I'm going to try to get Steam Marketplace pricing for the Fever case. Over here, I can even look at historical pricing that comes directly from the Steam API. And if you're feeling a little lazy, you can even ask She to do it for you. Hey She, can you tell me how much kilowatt prices have changed in the last month? Isn't that mind-blowing? And that's not all. She can do a bunch of things. Hey She, can you show me my friend Fictional's inventory? It's pretty fast, isn't it? Hey She, can you show me my StatTrack, Scar, 20, Grotto, Factory New? Hey She, can you show me what's inside my storage unit named Cases? And if you're feeling a little bored and not really have anybody to talk to you about how great your CS2 inventory is, you can even use the AI Plus feature to rate your inventory for you. Once it's done doing all of the tool calls, it will come back to you with a score and a detailed overview about what's good about your inventory, what can be changed, and frankly, what's a little disappointing. And as a bonus feature, you can even do your trades directly in the app. Alright, so that is the pitch. Now with any CS inventory manager app, there always comes the question of privacy and whether or not it's safe to use this app. As for the privacy, Skinshi does not make any remote calls to any third-party services to move your items in and out of your inventory or get the pricing information or any of the chat with She functions. They all happen locally and they all directly communicate with the Steam API or the CS2 game client. Now the next question is probably going to be, well, how can I trust you? How can I trust you with my Steam login? Well, how do I know this app doesn't do something that it's not supposed to do? And so much more, right? Well, one thing you have to remember is that this app is on the App Store. So Apple has all of my information. So if it comes out that I'm some sort of like a bad guy or the app doesn't do what it's supposed to do, Tim Apple himself. Now, if that's not enough of a guarantee, I don't know what is. So yeah, Skinshi is completely free to use. It's available on the App Store, so go check it out.